good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. I happen to have got my man here, Rylan, that owns this gorgeous 427 Ford. He just got done hearing it run, started up cold for him. Let him watch everything, check everything out. I'd just like to ask you, what do you think? Are you happy?
Very happy. Sounds really good.
Numbers, it was supposed to be, what, 575? I got him about 600. I know when it breaks in, it'll always make a little bit more. So I believe we did our job here. Does it look the way you wanted it?
Very much so. It looks good. Looks good. Sounds good. Customer service is good. Every time I call these guys, they got either right back to me or answered the phone right away, and I'm very happy with everything that I see right here. It sounds good.
Awesome. And again, we're going to help you all steps of the way. If you need any questions, Steve's got all the answers for you. He can put that car together over the phone with you, or your truck, should I say.
Truck, yeah.
So that's important. Not only do we sell you a motor, but we want to know that we have the right answers to help you get the parts you need if you need that help. So just
and yeah,
good.
And yeah, I'm very happy with everything.
Thank you. Hey, check us out. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. All right, Rylan. You're here visiting us. We're going to show you how this motor runs. It's your 86 Ford F150 with the 420/70 EFI. And we're going to fire it up for you and do a dyno pull. See, just for a second, because of the water in the brake, until it gets the water out, catch your RPM a little low. That's all that is.